Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's January 5th, 2025. Two Indian women were killed in a car crash in California during a holiday trip. Their families are now seeking assistance from Indian authorities for repatriation of the bodies. New York Mayor Zohran Mamdani highlighted his family roots and cultural heritage in his inaugural address, calling for unity and inclusive governance. The co-founder of CK12 has outlined an AI-driven push to expand global access to education, focusing on affordability and personalized learning. Zohran Mamdani is set to make history on January 1st, becoming New York City's mayor, marking a significant moment for the city's diverse leadership. Sneha Ghosh has joined Monks to lead its North American data operations, strengthening the company's analytics and digital transformation efforts. Congressman Suhas Subramaniam criticized President Donald Trump over the current state of India-US relations, urging stronger diplomatic engagement. Several Indian-American lawmakers have condemned President Trump's military action in Venezuela, calling it destabilizing and unnecessary. An opinion piece reflects on key moments of 2025, while looking ahead to challenges and opportunities in 2026. The murder of student leader Angel Chakma has been described as a national disgrace, sparking renewed calls for justice and accountability. Authorities are urging motorists to avoid distracted driving during the holiday season, highlighting increased accident risks. Former bureaucrat Anil Swarup has called on citizens to live in the present and not be trapped by the past, stressing mindset and reform. An Indian origin leader of the American Medical Association has been named Vice Dean at Johns Hopkins Medicine, marking a major academic milestone. Elon Musk claims Neuralink technology could help paralyzed individuals regain movement, though experts urge cautious optimism. A touring musician has accused actor Will Smith of harassment and wrongful termination, allegations that are drawing public attention. In sports, Mustafizur Rahman's IPL future faces uncertainty amid strained India-Bangladesh relations. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.